The Maternal and Child Health Hospital MCH in Jowai along with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society in Shillong inaugurated the Integrated Counselling Testing Centre Ictc at MCH Hospital in Panaliar. This initiative aims to provide better services to mothers in the fight against HIV. The Ictc will also support MCH Hospital in Jowai, particularly in caring for pregnant women. Testing will begin from the first month of pregnancy until delivery, allowing for early treatment if HIV is detected to prevent transmission to the newborn.
Marketing tests, but there's HIV. The marketing hospital, kadai hospital, keba Sumar, Yaki, Pay, keba Ahmed, Banjul, Banwan Kapur. Then another kadau kajing test, Yakani, you can pay, keba Ahmed, Galongi or Galong, mandatory, Nigalong, David and test. One of that Raiki, Kimi, Long Kimi, keba Ahmed, Tip of it, and test it. Ada pagkakang doon yung pinanjitang yung tip kasi nagtuwa si Ahmed laban nga di kaning jitang di kita laban labno akuloy pero yung test no akuloy pero yung ansubang